Hi. Sorry I'm a little late on the vlog this week, but I have a great message for you. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. I am totally biting off of Jillian Michaels here, but this is a saying that I live by and I absolutely love. You have to be uncomfortable or experience pain to make progress and be successful in life. I hate to break that to you. So many of us give up when we feel discomfort. Let's take exercise, like going on a jog, for example, because this is the easiest way to explain it. You start to feel a little bit of a cramp and you say, ooh, that doesn't feel good. I better stop now. Something might be wrong. No, that's the opposite of what you should do. As soon as you feel that bit of discomfort or that slight pain, you should push past it. Push yourself to that next level. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Press past the pain. I promise you, you're not going to die. You might want to curse out whoever you're working out with or, just feel overly uncomfortable. But you know what? Just press through it. I promise you, you will experience things that you didn't know. It works in other avenues too. If you're trying to quit smoking or lose weight or something, you can use it in the reverse. Practice control, practice self control, resist, be uncomfortable, sit there being uncomfortable, not reaching for that cigarette or having that second donut or whatever. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Pain and success go hand in hand. Sorry. But soon you start to like that pain and you start to look for it because you know that when you're getting to that point, you're making progress. Hope this helps you. Hope this motivates you. Have a great week, and we'll talk next time.